Welcome to our channel. If you want to install an app for movies and live sports on Firestick using a free downloader code, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Power on your Firestick and navigate to the search bar. Search for downloader and install it. Step 2. Open the downloader app and locate the URL bar at the center of the interface. Step 3. Type in the free downloader code for movies and live sports app and click Go. Step 4. Wait while the APK file downloads to your device. Monitor the progress bar for completion. Step 5. After downloading, you'll see an install prompt. Click Install to begin installation. Step 6. Once installation completes, click Done. Consider deleting the APK file to free up space. Step 7. Return to your Firestick home screen and find the app in your Apps section. Step 8. Launch the app and enjoy dual access to both movie libraries and live sports streaming, all in one convenient application for complete entertainment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.